Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to make crispy chicken cheese balls. It's a simple snack recipe which you can make in no time. You can serve them straight away or you can make mini burgers, and it's a great appetizer as well. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we require to make chicken cheese balls. This is 300 grams of ground chicken. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Give all these ingredients a nice mix for about a minute. Add a tablespoon of oil and give a mix. Take a tablespoon of this chicken mixture and give it a nice round shape. Place a cheese cube in the center and cover it well. I'm using mozzarella cheese. Ingredients to coat chicken cheese balls. Into a bowl, add an egg and whisk it for a while. This is 5 tablespoons of sparkling water, also called soda water. 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well for a while to get a smooth batter without any lumps. Here I've kept 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and a cup of panko. You can also use breadcrumbs. First let's dust the chicken ball in the dry flour, then into the egg flour batter, coat well, then in the panko crumbs. Likewise we'll keep everything ready. Add oil for frying. Keep the flame on medium heat. If the flame is on high, the outer part seems to be cooked but remains raw inside. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes to cook. Do not turn it immediately, it might break, so wait for a minute for it to cook. Once it turns light golden color, turn it to the other side and cook well. It's perfectly fried, nice and crispy. Now remove it from the pan and transfer it to a paper towel. You can serve these crispy balls as it is. I'll cut and show you. I'm going to make mini burgers. Cut the bun into half. Place a lettuce, then crispy chicken ball. some sliced onion and pickled cucumber, and a slice of tomato with some mayo and ketchup. Do try this quick and easy crispy chicken balls and share it with your family and friends. And also post your thoughts and suggestions about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.